I am stuck at band 5.5 in the reading section. What should I do to improve my score? I get lost in the reading passage. What should I do? I sometimes don't understand the question task in the reading module. What should I do? Many a times I come across these questions from my students, and that's the reason I have come up with a 7-day plan that will help you improve your IELTS reading score. Hello everyone, this is Yesha Manik with IELTSmaterial.com, helping you to prepare for your IELTS test, give correct answers and get a higher band score in your IELTS examination. If you find this video helpful, then please do like, share and subscribe IELTS Material YouTube channel. Now let's look into the plan to improve the reading scores, or I would say to get maximum score in your IELTS reading module. Day 1, learn the reverse process. IELTS reading task is completely different from our general routine reading or comprehension reading. We used to skim read the passage or the comprehension first and then move on to the question. But in IELTS reading, we would be doing a reverse process. That is, firstly, we will look into the question task, and then secondly, we would move to the passage to find the answers. Day 2, learn skimming and scanning. These are the two imperative skills when it comes to reading module. What is skimming? Skimming is to quick read the text or skim read the text as quickly as possible to learn the gist or to learn the general information, and scanning is actually to locate the specific information or to find the specific information. So learning skimming and scanning is very important when you start doing the IELTS reading module. To learn more about the sub-skills, that is skimming and scanning in an elaborate manner, then check out our video link in the description box. Day 3, also learn paraphrasing and synonyms. You must have noticed in the question task, true, false, not given, the questions are always paraphrased and they use a lot of vocabulary, especially synonyms and antonyms, to present the questions. What does this mean? This means that the questions and the sentences in the passage are similar in terms of meaning, but are presented with different words. Hence, learn paraphrasing. This will also help you in developing a lot of vocabulary to use in your writing as well. So, learning paraphrasing and synonyms will definitely help you in improving your reading score. To bridge the gap between 5.5 to 7 bands, visit our website IELTSmaterial.com, book a free demo with our expert trainers, and enroll yourself with different course plans to help you get good scores in your IELTS test. Day 4, practice easy questions first. In the IELTS reading, you will come across some easy questions and a few difficult questions. What are they? Let's take sentence completion, easy, note completion, easy, answer short questions, easy. Whereas matching information, difficult. True, false, not given, difficult. So it is always better to complete easy questions and leave the difficult questions for the end. This way you will be able to manage your time, give correct answers to maximum number of questions. This will also help you improve your reading score. To learn more strategies on how to solve the difficult questions, check the video link in the description box. Day 5, give 1 minute to each question. After analyzing the difficult and the easy questions in your reading module, you should start practicing your reading task or the question task, giving 1 minute to each question or utilizing the 1 minute time strategy. So, you should give only 1 minute to each question and move on to the next question if the process takes a lot of time. If you give 1 minute to each question, ideally you will be able to complete your test in 45 minutes and you will have 15 minutes at the end to check your answers. If you want to learn more about managing your time in reading task, then check out the video link in the description box. Day 6. Practice many reading tests. After learning the sub-skills and time management, now is the time that you follow these 3 steps. Number 1. Start practicing too many tests, or at least give 1 test every day. This will help in managing your time and also accessing various question tasks. Number 2, you will learn new vocabulary that can be used in writing as well. And number 3, you will understand your errors and you will start working on your errors and start improving as well. Day 7, work on your errors and improve. Now is the time that you start working on your errors, and these 6 pointers will help you do that. Number 1, do not use your own knowledge or assumptions. Number 2, don't assume, try to predict the answers. Number 3, always take answers or the words from the passage because passage is your main resource. Number 4, do not make spelling errors, rather copy words from the passage. Number 5, practice difficult questions to improve in your reading module. And number 6, try to complete the whole reading test in 60 minutes. Use this strategic plan to get a band 7 in your IELTS reading module. I would want you to write about your suggestions in the comment section, and also if you can come up with more ideas, please present it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe IELTS Material YouTube channel for more free IELTS learning, and to stay updated, follow this channel. We will come up with a new video and help you get your desired band score in your IELTS test. Bye-bye.